Let's look at the Hawkeye app on iOS devices. The Hawkeye app is an app with eye gaze built into the app, and you can use it within the app only, not the whole iPad or iPhone. We're going to first start by calibrating. What's important to notice here is how little movement I have in my head during this task. You'll definitely notice some as I do have the movement available to me, but the best way for this app to work is to have as little movement to the head and only move your eyes. Now that we're done with the calibration, we have different apps we can choose from. Here you'll see me make a smile for selection. However, when I'm trying to use this, it changes the focus of the target when I smile. I'm having a hard time getting the right spot. So I decide to go back to the settings and change the way to make selections. So I'm going to go to selection mode and choose stare selection or dwell. Now we're going to go back using that dwell mode and go back to the speech app. Within this app, you can spell, and if you even look to the right side in the middle row there, there's an option to save phrases. And then if you look to the left of that same row, you can go to phrases.
Hi, Mandy.
Now that we've told Mandy hi, let's go check out the web